Do this as you're doing it?
Not at all. Go for it. So the first product is our WLabs Smart Countertop Oven. And it uses 3 different modes that you can engage it with. Excuse me, it uses 3 different modes that you can engage the product with. So first and foremost, I'm going to show you a couple of things that it comes with. You've got our air fry basket if you want to do any air frying. Comes with the cutting board standard, our food thermometer, a baking tray, a roasting rack, and an oven rack. So, we've got asparagus here. We're ready to rock and roll. We've got it prepped just how we like.
Yep.
Rather than dial the oven into the asparagus, we're going to let the oven do the thinking for us. So I'm going to simply place the asparagus into the oven. It's going to scan and sense, I've got asparagus, we're ready to rock and roll.
Got it.
But the critical thing here is you notice that it's got asparagus and that's fresh versus frozen. So if that were frozen asparagus, we'd have to cook it differently, right? Well, we have a sensor inside that actually senses the surface temperature of the food and adjusts the cooking when it's fresh versus frozen.
Okay.
So let's say you like yours a little extra crispy. We're going to start that up, walk away. It's all connected to your phone, so now you can walk away. You can actually view a live video feed.
Okay, from on your phone, okay.
And you can adjust settings like what you want it to do at the end of the cycle, whether you want it to turn off, hold that cooking temperature, or keep it warm. So that's number 1, is our auto food recognition technology. Number two is our assisted mode.
Okay.
So that's where you're going to get a menu of food items, and you're going to be able to dial in a little bit more specifically and a little bit more broadly what type of food you're cooking. So let's say we're cooking chicken. If it's fresh chicken, we're going to use that food thermometer to use the internal temperature to control the unit. But if it's frozen, we can't use that food thermometer, so we're going to use the IR sensor and then select how many pieces we have to dial in that cooking performance. So we've got our auto recognition, we've got our assisted mode covered. Last but not least, what else can this thing do?
Wash your dishes?
I wish. I hate doing the dishes. So we've got our manual mode, which lets you dive into 11 different options.
Wow.
It does everything that a traditional convection oven does. It does have true convection in there. So now I can do all this bake, convection roast, broil. But below here I've got options like a toast, a dehydrate, slow cook, and air fry. What that's doing is putting more than one appliance into this machine so that you save countertop space and probably more importantly some do-re-mi. So we've got our 3 options. You kind of see how they work. It does go to market this spring, so we're shipping in a couple months. It's available to pre-order right now at the show.
Very cool. Can I look inside real quick? Can you open up when we're done? In there. Those are cameras right there?
Yep. Yeah, so that'll be the camera system that recognizes the food, as well as the infrared system that detects its the exterior temperature to see if it's fresh versus frozen.
Got it.